Hello, I'm Megan Smith from the Client Services team at SocialFlow. Today I'll introduce you to day parting, a new SocialFlow feature that gives you more control over how and when posts get published. Day parting allows you to create a custom schedule of time windows, where each window can have a different set of publishing rules. SocialFlow users have always been able to set up publishing limits for each social account in SocialFlow. Let's take a look at that now. From the Publish page, just click the gear icon above the queue as a shortcut. Or, for the long way around, go to Settings, Application, Social Accounts, and click the pencil icon. That's the Edit button. The publishing limits are a ways down on the Social Account Settings page. Let's zoom in to see them more closely. These publishing limits are set by default to Optimize, and you can customize them if you need to restrict the volume and frequency of publishing for this account. You can even pause optimized posts in an emergency, but these settings don't let you have different settings for different times of the day or different days of the week. That's where day parting comes in. Let's check out some examples of day parting. While you're on the Application tab of Settings, click the Day Parting sub-tab. This is an example of a day parting schedule for a social account. It looks very much like a typical event calendar. Notice that there's a column for each day of the week. Each of the purple blocks is a day parting window with its own set of publishing rules. We call them rule sets. You can drag them around and resize them just as you would expect. Rule sets at the top of a column apply to the entire day. And when there are no day parting rule sets, those publishing limits we saw a moment ago take effect for the social account. When you begin to set up day parting, the first step is to create a rule set to apply to the calendar. Creating a rule set is a lot like changing the publishing limits for a social account. You'll see here you have options for max messages per rule set, max messages per hour if the rule set spans several hours, and the minimum and maximum minutes between messages. So you can dictate how much time should occur between your posts or tweets in that rule set. If you want to prevent all publishing of optimized posts, click Pause Optimized Publishing. Then you'll probably want to name the rule set something like No Publishing or Publishing Break. Once you've created your rule set, click the Save button and then click the word Schedules in the upper left of the page to return to your day parting calendar. To apply a rule set, first add a window to your day parting calendar. Just click any blank space and the Add Event box will appear. You can choose how long the window will be and select any of the rule sets you've just created. You can preview the settings for each rule set by clicking Show More Details under the Rule Set dropdown. To add a new rule set, click the plus icon to the right of the Select Rule Set dropdown. If you want to apply an entire day parting schedule to another social account, click the three dots on the right side of the day parting schedule and choose Duplicate. Here are a few final notes about how day parting works. SocialFlow's day parting system only affects posts that are published via SocialFlow. If you are posting directly to a social network's interface or through some other system, your day parting schedule won't have any effect on those posts. All posts, including optimized must send or can send, publish now, and scheduled, are considered when calculating the number and frequency of messages, so that the system can adhere to the day parting rules as much as possible. For example, if you have a max of 10 messages for a 2-hour time window, and you send 3 messages from the queue as publish now, then enter 4 more as must send into the queue for that same 2-hour window, that's a total of 7 messages already. You now only have room for 3 optimized can sends to send during that 2-hour window. Unfortunately, users are not able to set day parting rule sets for specific dates at this time. If there is a major event or holiday that needs a different rule set for that day, that change would need to be made the week of. And finally, just as a reminder, if there is no day parting rule set specified for the time period, the general publishing limit settings for that social account are applied. We hope this new feature will provide you with a new level of customization for your publishing needs. We have additional support materials available on our website at support.socialflow.com. You can also email support@socialflow.com or your account representative with any questions. Thanks for watching.